Hello guys, it is me, Moth Airsoft. I'm back once again. If you haven't seen my newest videos, please go and check those out. Link will be in the description and also right there. And please hit that subscribe button, consider subscribing, because it only takes a few seconds of your time, and I greatly appreciate it. It shows your support. You can also hit that like button if you would like to, and you can also hit that comment and comment down something below if you have any questions or any concerns or anything like that. As always, remember in Airsoft, it is important to protect your body because there are very unreplaceable things on your body, such as your eyes and a lot of your facial structure. And so doing so, we ask that you do always buy goggles that are recommended for Airsoft use. And so make sure you always have the correct gear, gloves, vest, or anything like that that will keep you protected while playing this fun sport. Without further ado, here are 5 airsoft guns that I generally think are recommended for the newcomers. Number 1, G&G Machine Series. It's very known for its very reliability, but also affordability for its first-time airsoft users. It has an amazing performance right out of the box. Pretty much you get for what you pay for. And it is great first gun if you're just now getting into the sport and you don't know anything about it and you want to just have fun. Number 2, SEMA AK Series. SEMA produces a bunch of budget-friendly AKs that are actually great for beginners and will usually have a little more reliability and also a little bit of more range than the normal machine gun series. It is usually very good out of the box as well, as most of these are. Number 3, Classic Army Skirmish Series. This series provides a reliable and well-built AEGs. That's going to be automatic electric guns for you beginners. Now you know a new word. They often come with essential features like hop-ups and rails for accessories. Number 4, Elite Force M4s. Elite Force M4s are style airsoft guns that are usually suitable for beginners. The M4 platform is very popular, as you might know, and these guns are usually often upgradable and are usually the easier for future improvements. Number 5, Tokyo Marui High Kappa Series. If you prefer gas blowback pistols, Tokyo Marui High Kappa Series is probably for you. These pistols are known for their quality, accuracy, and customizable features. They're a great overall pistol for close quarter combat, so like CQB. Alrighty, and that is 5 guns that are usually generally recommended. You have G&G Combat Machine Gun Series, SEMA AK Series, Classic Army Skirmish Series, Elite Force M4s, and then also the Tokyo Marui. Those are probably the 5 best guns for when getting into airsoft. All of those have a very affordable options as well, and always remember that you will be spending a little bit of money also on mags, batteries, and any equipment that you want to wear. Usually we recommend you getting anti-fog goggles or something like that, because if you're playing outside, you don't want to fog up a bunch. Usually if you're inside, it shouldn't be as bad, but always remember you're going to have to spend an extra few bucks on simple things like that. Definitely do not cheap out on goggles or anything like that, because you don't want to get cheap goggles and then have to pay a few $100 in hospital repairs when your eye gets shot out. We don't want that to happen, right, Ralphie?
You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
Here are 5 airsoft guns that beginners may want to avoid. Number 1, cheap spring-powered guns. Now, these spring-powered guns are usually okay, but they're very bad. You spend $10, you're going to get something that you paid $10 for. They're usually very breakable, and they lack durability, and their performance is usually garbage. They are not suitable for regular gameplay outside or indoors. Number 2, unknown brands. Airsoft guns from unknown or unreliable brands may have inconsistent quality and performances. Stick to normal brands like I've just named in the beginning of this video, and you usually will have better purchases. And try to stick to first-hand purchases. Try not to rebuy any airsoft guns because you don't know what kind of shape they have been in and you don't know what you're going to be getting under that bonnet. Number 3, avoid high-end advanced featured guns. It may be a little overwhelming for you as a beginner to get into the sport of airsoft and then have a super techie gun that you know nothing about. Stick to something low-end at first and then work yourself and upgrade it up. That's the easiest way to learn about airsoft, and that's the way I've done it. I've learned what a bucking is, what the piston does, what a motor does, and everything basically in the airsoft gun. And now I also know pretty much how to replace everything inside of an airsoft gun as well. You'll know how to take it apart and put it back together. If you get the low-end stuff, you can practice all you want, basically. Number 4, sniper rifles. Everybody loves a good old sniper rifle. You're sitting back 500 feet back and you shoot that headshot. Oh wait, that doesn't happen? But that's what I saw on the internet on YouTube. That's a little weird. Yeah, sniper rifles actually require a different playstyle and are not recommended for beginners. They often actually require upgrades for optimal performance, and usually you have to spend quite a bit of money on getting those upgrades for it. It is very hard on the internet nowadays because with sniper rifles, you might be playing for 1 hour and you get maybe 2 or 3 kills, but then on the internet, it shows a video that maybe Silo Entertainment gets 30 kills within like 13-minute video. Well, hate to break it to you, but that's not going to happen. Those videos are usually 8-hour days all compiled into a 13-minute video, and usually he's blended into the environment with like a ghillie suit or something. And so know that you're going to play totally different and probably going to have to be very, very hidden for most of the day. Number 5, full gas blowback pistols. While these pistols offer realism, they can be more complex and actually may require a little more maintenance. Beginners may find them challenging to handle initially, so try to stick to just a normal CO2 pistol or a gas blowback pistol. You may not be ready for all the big techie stuff yet, so remember, it's important to work yourself up from the low stuff. So whether that's getting a $70 pistol off of eVic or getting a $190 one off of eVic as well. They may have different performances, you may have to just see. The good thing is also reaching out to support and asking any of those guys for help. And also don't be afraid to ask for anyone's help at all. We get it, you're new. I was new at once, everybody is new at one time in this sport. It's a very hard sport to get into if you don't know anything about it, and you don't know everything yet, and I would always recommend looking into stuff before you actually go and buy it. Because it might suck when you buy a $250 gun, and then figure out that, oh, I can only use this outdoors because it's higher FPS. Or, hey, it's too low of an FPS, and why did I spend $250 on a gun that sucks? So yeah, I hope y'all did enjoy. Remember to prioritize safety and follow the local laws and wear appropriate protective gear when engaging in airsoft activities. Because most places, it's usually pretty chill, but you always want to be sure and make sure you're not doing anything wrong. Alrighty, and that is the 5 best guns to get into airsoft with and the 5 worst guns to get into it. If you're wondering what I have, let me know in the comments and I'll make a whole video on my whole setup and let y'all know what I have done to kind of mod that out and what I wish I didn't do. And so yeah, without further ado, I hope y'all did enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and then leave me a comment down below on what you want to see next, and I will see y'all in the next video. Number 1, G&G Combat Machine Series. G&G Combat Machine Series is known. Number 3, Classic Army Skirmish Series. Classic Army. I can't speak.
Drop this right here. You got 20 seconds. Starting from the ball, drop it.
Hit! I killed him! He's the other one. Wait, I just can't punch.
Go. 2, 3,
Put your glasses back on!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 seconds.